Hey guys, it's Hank Beauty. I want to put this video out there and answer a question that I got. The question was, what's the best way to build up organic sales without having to spend on ads forever? And of course, nobody wants to spend on ads forever, and you want to be able to lower your ads. PPC should never be your main strategy. Your main strategy has to be organic ranking. Definitely PPC has its place, especially during a product launch. But after that, you got to start to wean down the PPC and make sure that you're relying on your organic placements of the keywords. I'll give you guys my strategy, and then I'll show you an account that I've been working on for a few months that we're all organic now. So first of all, when I start a new listing, I make sure that we're optimized perfectly. I do this by looking at the best competition, and I take all their keywords that they're getting their sales from, and I add it to the title, the bullets, the keywords, description, everywhere in the right order, and long tail and short tail versions of those keywords. And I'll put it at a very good price, a price that's too good to be true, that if a customer sees my ad, they're going to buy it. And that'll get me ranked for every keyword, because that's just going to be conversion and conversion and conversion. And it's going to rank me for so many different keywords. Then eventually, after 2 months, you'll be able to shut off your ads. And I'll show you how in this video. Okay, guys, we're going to go through this quick. This is an account with 4 products, 4 parents, and it did in the past week from 8/27 to 9/3, it did around $27,000 in sales. And I want to show you the PPC spend. The PPC spend was only $80. The date range is over here. There's no filters on. $80. ACOS was 50%. ACOS doesn't matter. Everyone who knows Amazon knows the ACOS doesn't matter. It's all about the tacos. But I want to show you something. If you calculate it, it's about 0.3%. That's 0.3% tacos. That's extremely low. It's not good. It's unhealthy low. And the reason I did this is because a lot of people that I work with, they're selling out of their stock. They can't hold on to their stock. So we're not really advertising. We're spending nothing. And the best part about this, though, is that we're making significant amount of sales. We're doing $27,000 in a week with $80 of ad spend, which is unbelievable. You know, it's really, I can shut these ads off and we'll still be making $25,000, $26,000. It's the same thing now. Like now we don't have to rely on ads at all. The way I did this was what I said in the beginning. I said we have to start this at a low price. We have to target the main keywords, make sure we get conversions on every single click, and track the organic placement of the keywords and build it up. And then you can shut off your ads completely. Am I going to turn back the ads? Yes, I am, because we could be doing $200,000 a month. We could be doing crazy numbers. And I don't want to just stick at $26,000, $27,000 a week in sales. $27,000 a week in sales is not great, especially with such a low tacos. That just shows that there's so much potential here. You know, a taco should be 6%, 7%. Shouldn't be 0.3%. So yeah, that answers the question about how to build up organic sales. Just to recap, start at a low price. Make sure your listing is perfectly optimized. Make sure you have every single long tail and short tail keyword in every spot possible. Of course, the best converting ones that you did from product research, looking at your competitors, and make sure you're showing Amazon every conversion possible, and you'll build up a sick business. And you can see over here, this is $80 spend, $27,000 in sales. And you can even see like the past month, just so you see like what happened before this in July. We spent $10,000 in spend, and it was still 49% ACOS, which doesn't matter because we just said the tacos is the most important thing. But now we don't need to spend anymore on ads. We do not need to spend any more on ads. We haven't spent on ads in 3 weeks, and the sales are just growing. They're actually growing. It's the snowball effect of the organic placement of keywords. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this helped.